Want to add a subscribe button and a bell icon in your YouTube video? I'll show you how with Lumafusion. Let's go. The last tutorial we did the animation or like this, right, of the YouTube. Okay. Now if you haven't seen that video, go here. Okay, go there somewhere. Okay, now with this, let's play again. Okay, right now it's just a subscribe button, right? Not enough impact. Okay. Now what we want to do is up here, I brought in a free PNG file from YouTube. Okay. But right now it's way too big. Okay. Double tap and always hold on my finger, the blue dot, and you should know where we go. Double tap. It's going really big. Okay. Double tap again. Okay. Let's reduce it down like that. Move to the side. Bottom there. Now let's play first. See what goes. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now we want to follow our YouTube. Okay. YouTube subscribe button. So let's go back here. So you want the subscribe button to go out first like that. So once it's somewhere there, bang. Just move out. Then we want to move in. This one. So we click on the plus button here. Click on that. Boom. We make a keyframe right there. Oops, I don't want to call that. Move in. Okay. We want to ring a bell, right? So we move in there. Just 2 seconds in, we want to ring the bell, so we want to rotate it around. Okay, so rotation here, we want to increase it the other way, probably the best. Okay, to 25. Okay. Okay, really cool so far. Okay. Okay, now we want to somewhere here. We want to expand as well, so we increase the size a little bit like that, and we want to rotate back. Okay, so we want to rotate it back, so you know, make a sounding voice. Okay, so I have to really slowly, but I try to get the right. Okay, so we're moving there. Getting closer, move there, move back the sound a little bit. Maybe somewhere there. Okay. Now we want to lower the size a little bit. Make it look like similar to the YouTube button. Hold it down. Okay. Display. Okay, now we want to move out. Okay. Okay, we want to move out. That one go there, undo. Okay. Helpful button, undo here. If you make a mistake, follow that and you'll be right. Okay, there's undo button here, redo. Okay, we don't want to go there. We want the bell to get out of the screen right now. Okay, so we want to move together. Okay, from there. Now move out. Okay, so out, we want the bell to out as well. Boom. Now at the bottom here, all the keyframes are being made by Lumafusion. Okay, but we haven't started the first one yet. Boom. Okay, so we want to start the keyframe there. Done. Move it in there. Done. Now let's play. Boom, boom. That's very cool, right? Very cool, right? Yeah. Now that's how you do an animation, okay? So precision is just do your first one first, then do the bell, okay? The subscribe button first, then you do your bell to follow the subscribe button. Otherwise, it looks messy. Okay, so you do by eye what you see on your screen and you animate it accordingly to the subscribe button. It's easier that way. Let's go back and we're happy with that. Done. Boom, boom, boom. Out. How cool is that? Okay. Now, once you like it, can you actually duplicate it? Okay. To the other part of the video, the answer is yes. Okay, so what you want to do is select both. There's a code bottom here. There's a box with a tick. Let me see what it's called. Multi-select. Okay, multi-select. So you want to do click on that. Okay, so you select both. Go here. Copy. And go somewhere there, you want to paste. Done. Okay. So certainly you can copy and paste your animation and move this to a different part of your timeline when you're done. And you want to show off, yeah, hey, now you know how to do evil, okay? Please do not every 10 seconds do this with your video, okay? I'll be annoyed if you do that. Okay? Critical moments, you want people to subscribe to your channel, then do this, okay? Don't do it, don't go overboard, yeah? Don't go every 10 seconds, you just, hey, subscribe, yeah? Don't do that, okay? I'll show you the way, but don't do good, not evil, okay? Okay, let's go back to my other project and see how it goes. So how creative can you get with this process animation wise? Okay, let's play. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. That's just roughly, okay? Roughly, don't go overboard. I try to break Lumafusion with that animation. I just have put everything in. How many? Yeah, I put in like all the timeline, all the slot. That is allowed. Yeah. So when they expand the timeline, I might play more of it, but I try to break it. Yeah. See if it works. Play again. Certainly you can add sound to it, sound effect just like I did just then, and make it more impact, okay? So for example, the bell, you want to ring a bell, a sound effect in there. Check YouTube Studio, where the sound effect section is, or you can have to create your own sound effect, okay? To make more impact. Once the bell come out, so you want to have that sounds come out. Right now, I couldn't find anything to do that, so. But there's a sound effect there you can play with to make more impact to your storytelling. Hey,
subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel now. I'll probably do a big animation right here, so you know what to do. Like what you hear, what you see, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll make content like this for you guys. Okay, I'll see you next time.